Throughout this podcast, we will do a number of things. We will go through a pre-divorce checklist or a checklist for a modification case, a child support case, or a visitation case. We will discuss selecting an attorney or deciding whether to represent yourself. The importance of an emotional think tank or support group. Knowing where to file your documents and reading the local rules. Knowing what those local rules are. Gathering your documents. Filing your suit affecting the parent-child relationship or filing for divorce. Next, providing your soon-to-be ex or your already ex with legal notice of the petition for divorce or legal notice of the suit affecting the parent-child relationship. You'll also hear me say SAPSR. Then we have going on the defensive, responding to a petition for divorce, filing your answer, or responding to a SAPSR case. Then you go back on the offensive, filing your own counter petition for the divorce or your own counter petition for the SAPSR case, preparing for a temporary restraining order hearing, or preparing the documents needed for a temporary restraining order. Then we have receiving your soon-to-be ex's answer to your petition, going over the Rule 194 disclosures, which are required in Texas, discussing discovery. What is discovery? Preparing for final trial. And then after your trial, what are the wrap-up things you need to do? We will go over all of these steps throughout the course of this podcast. But again, this podcast is more than just a logistical how to do this or that. It's also a podcast about the emotional experience of going through these different stages. We also discuss and really highlight how to go through this when your ex is toxic. Yes, we are talking about the narcissistic person, the person who may have another personality disorder, which makes it even more difficult to interact with them. It is my pleasure to walk along with you throughout this journey. Again, my name is Natalie Guadalupe. I am a Texas licensed attorney, also in Maryland, but I don't generally practice in Maryland. And I am a licensed clinical marriage and family therapist.